Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll explain you the basics of Selenium. So let's get started. We'll start with the definition. Selenium is an open source framework for automating web applications across different browsers and different platforms. We'll move on to architecture. So each browser has given their respective browser drivers. So we write our scripts in any IDE that will be interacting with the browser drivers through a W3C protocol. And the browser drivers will be interacting with the real browsers over HTTP server. And coming to the features, let's say we have an automation script written for Chrome browser. The same script can be reused for other browsers by just changing the browser driver, which makes it cross-browser testing. And then easy integration with CI/CD tools, example Jenkins. Let's say we have a regression suite having 60 test cases, and whenever developer push a code to the remote repository, the 60 test cases to be auto triggered. So this is possible by integrating Selenium with Jenkins. And multi-language support. So we can write our automation scripts in Selenium Java, Selenium Python, C Sharp, etc. And parallel test execution, I'll take the same regression suite example. So in order to execute those 60 test cases sequentially, assuming each test case takes 1 minute, so it will be 60 minutes in total. But what if we can execute the regression suite in parallel, 60 test cases at the same time, so which brings down the execution time to just 1 minute. So that is possible with help of Selenium Grid. And we can further configure saying 30 test cases to be on one particular platform, for example Windows, the rest to be on other platform, Mac. And even in that, we can further customize saying the 10 test cases to be run on Chrome browser, the remaining 20 has to be run on Edge or Safari browser. So let's move on to components. So we have 4 components in Selenium. Selenium RC, which is deprecated one. It was earlier the remote execution tool. And moving on to the second one, which is Selenium WebDriver. It is a library used to automate browser actions. So which has the reusable methods, classes, and interfaces, which we can use to automate our web application. And Selenium IDE, it's a codeless one. It's a browser extension with which we can record our execution, and we can just click on play button, which will re-execute the same. And the last one is Selenium Grid. As we already discussed, it enables parallel test execution across multiple machines and browsers. And key changes in Selenium 4, as we saw in the architecture, W3C protocol. So initially it was JSON wire protocol. In Selenium 4, it's been replaced with W3C protocol. And the Selenium IDE is improved in Selenium 4. And there is one more advantage, that is introduction of relative locators. So when we want to interact with the element in the web page, first we have to locate the element. Only then we'll be able to perform some actions on it. So Selenium 4 gives us additional locator strategies, I would say, which is relative locators. So I'll explain relative locators in detail in the upcoming videos. For now, you can think like, okay, this Selenium 4 has given additional strategies to locate an element. So that's all for this video. If you like my content, please like on this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any improvisation tips, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next video.